guys, so Skills Vlogs, how you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I'm shifting a little bit, out from the comfort zone from Man City. I want to touch a little bit of Dimanche Kundabagi. Okay, his name is Dimanche Kundabagi. I did a reaction of him before, and then guys, you must see this guy, is one of the people that I can tell you they are massively growing. Like, his growth in music is like it's just overwhelming. Okay, it's just overwhelming, guys, and he's one of my favorite Asian guys. Like, I must tell you, it's one of my favorite Asian guys. All right, so guys, we're gonna do a reaction on him, and tell me what you think by comments, like the video. All right, and also importantly, if you've not subscribed to my channel right now, because I'm going to bring you more and more content. I think of Skills Vlogs, so much more exciting content on the way. All right, so quickly let's go to the video, and then you know how we'll talk about it in a little bit. All right. Alright, I'm going to continue on to the video. It's just that I just want to say some few things about the video. You can see for yourself, this is extremely pure talent. I can personally, if you ask me, I can nominate this guy, this Dimanche. I can nominate him in one of the biggest occasions in the world, in the biggest music festival in the world. If you ask me, I'm going to be nominating him to go for it, because you can hear for yourself, guys. This guy is putting a whole lot, like he's putting a whole lot of energy into this thing. Like, he's doing it as if it's nothing. And the voice alone is magic. The voice is out of the world. Like, it's like something not human. It's dealing with him, when he sings. Like, guys. So let's continue with the video. So remember, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Most importantly, subscribe. All right. We have to grow this channel. We have to keep supporting these guys, Mariceti, Dimanche. We have to keep supporting these guys because they are natural. If you listen to their songs, they ain't got auto-tuning, they don't do auto-tuning, they're just natural. What you hear is what you're getting. What you're getting is what you're hearing. Like, they are not like adding, setting to it to make it sweet or whatsoever. These guys are natural. This is what captivate me, as a lover of music, to actually, fell in love with these guys because they are natural. Alright, so let's go back to the music once again. personally, I must tell you, you know, for some few moments or for some few minutes, my heart was blown away. Like my heart was like, you know, I wasn't, you know, in this world anymore. Right? This is what music can do to you. You know, sometimes I tell people, language in music don't actually so much matters. You know, you don't have to necessarily understand language when it comes to singing, but what is most important is the person able to put you on your seat, to make you be attentive, you know, to assimilate, you know, this kind of power that they're transferring. Because I don't just listen to music and forget it. Sometimes music is kind of a bit of communication, you know, communication in the sense that sometimes, let me give you an example, you know, we believe in God, you know, we worship God, and we have our different religions, but we don't see God. All right. So this energy, this transformation, this belief, you know, this connection is so massive. That is why we keep believing, you know. And music is just something like that, you know, being able to connect, you know, with on a very pleasant force, you know, that can calm you down, that can put you in the mood of relaxation, you know. Personally, if you ask me, I'll tell you I recommend this music for, you know, people that are stressful, people that go to job and maybe they're stressful. Just put it and put your earpiece on, and I believe me, you're going to get a good relaxation. Like this guy, Dimash, you know, is smacking it. Like he's one other Asian guy, very young. I couldn't believe when I heard of his age. A very young guy, and he's giving it to us and see, you know, back to back. And I'm falling in love with this guy, I'm falling in love with his music, I'm falling in love with his arts, you know. And when you look at this video, you know, you will see that there are some impacting, you know, graphics, you know, these graphics, you know, that are actually telling the music, you know, like feeling what he's talking about. Even if he doesn't speak the language, but you could understand from the graphics, you know, you could understand from the evolution of the graphics, you know, or the feel behind it, what he's trying to, you know, demonstrate, so that even without language, you can also understand him. So guys, this is what I think about this music. Tell me what you think, put it on the comment section below. And remember, Skilos Vlogs is always me, and I will always come to you with a whole lot of reactions, with a whole lot of massive, important reactions out there from Dimash Morissette and a whole lot of them. Alright, so guys, remember, if you don't subscribe, it's much important to me. Alright, subscription is the energy you keep me to drive you. Alright, the more you are giving me this subscription, the more you are liking the video, the more you are commenting, the more fuel and the more energy I have in striving, in giving you more reactions, guys. So thank you so much. Alright, remember, stay blessed, stay peaceful, and stay wonderful. Skilos Vlogs, I will always love you. Bye.